All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate you having me here. So first and foremost, I'm Dr. Natty 𝗿𝗶𝗵𝗵𝘁 from Myokinetix Physical Therapy and Performance. So what I wanted to share with you guys today is how to pick the right physical therapist, just like what Brian was saying before. So first and foremost, I really hope none of you guys ever get injured. But knowing how competitive football can be, you might. When you do, you need to find the right physical therapist. So backtrack a little bit. When I first started in this field 5 years ago, I was working in the standard physical therapy clinic, very busy. I was seeing 16 to 20 patients a day, spending 15 minutes with my patients. And I know that if I just have a little bit more time, that one-on-one time with my patient, I can get them back on the field faster, stronger, with more confidence, right? So, which is why I started my practice, Myokinetix, right? With my practice, we spend one-on-one time with all of our athletes. Adon's been there, he knows what's up with that. You get our undivided attention. We know exactly what you need to do to get you back on the field. So when you are injured, you need to find someone that's willing to do that for you. The best investment a physical therapist can do for you is their time, their attention. You want someone to be able to just look at you, see you where you are right now, understand your injury, and then have no distractions. So that way you guys can embark on the journey together of getting better, okay? Next, you want to find a physical therapist that is a specialist in your injury. You want someone that has seen it all, deal with this kind of this injury, this surgery, countless of times. So that way they know the ins and outs of your surgery, of your injury. So that way there's no games. You can just get from point A to point B as fast as possible, okay? In my practice, we're specialized in ACL, meniscal tear, Achilles rupture, elbow, shoulders, you name it. And we focus on getting athlete back on the field. That's our job, getting you back on the field as confident as possible and perform at the highest level, okay? Next, your physical therapist should understand the demands and stress as the defensive back. They need to know that your bread and butter is your ability to react. If you can't react, that wide receiver is beating you on the route already, right? You can't get your elbows up, you can't square up correctly. They need to understand that. They need to know that you need hand-eye coordination, you need to be able to pivot, backpedal comfortably, right? That's how you're gonna perform your best. So find someone that understands your position, what you need to do will be a huge key. And lastly, you need to put yourself in an environment that will excel you as an athlete. What I mean by that is that when you walk into my clinic, you're gonna feel like you're walking into a D1 facility or a professional facility, because that's what we want you to feel like. When you're injured, that part of you that feeling like an athlete is being ripped apart from you, right? That's your identity, correct? You guys are here because you are what? An athlete. That's it. When it's taken away from you, you feel like crap, right? So the environment is everything. When you step foot in any facility, you just feel like, oh man, I'm here to work. Like this is where I'm gonna get my grind in for the day, right? You need the tools, the resources, you need the equipment, barbells, squat rack, kettlebells, treadmill, turf, right? That's what you need. So environment dictates how you're gonna be as an athlete. We also spend a lot of time at my facility to curate that culture. We get a lot of athletes in. So that way when you come in and you're injured, you're looking over your shoulder, there's an athlete right there outworking you. Now what are you gonna do? You're injured, he or she is injured. Are you gonna match that energy? You need to outwork them, right? So that's the kind of environment you need to be. If you're walking in and the person next to you is 80 years old, no disrespect for that, they have a lot of wisdom, but you know that's not gonna push you, right? That's it. You need someone that you're looking over like, oh man, like that girl is killing on that cone drill, or that guy is, look at his 40, look at his back pedal. Like what do I need to do from this point on to get to where they are, right? So if you can do those 3 things for me, of finding the right physical therapy by looking at someone that is gonna invest time, energy, effort in your care, specialize in that injury, know the position you're in and the demands that your position is gonna bring upon you in the right environment, that is the right PT for you. And when you find that person, you will keep playing football till you say, you know what, I'm done with this. So that's all I got for you. If you guys have any questions, I'm here to answer it.